Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit quotes after they have been created. So I'm going to start again from my dashboard here, and I'll take you through the quote section. Now, we covered a little bit about kind of navigating the quote section when we went through the how to create a quote video, but I'll revisit it here a little bit because you're going to want to find the quote that you want to edit. In this case, you've got a list page that's got all of the quotes that have been created in the system, and by default it's showing them in the order that they were created. So looking at my list page here, I've got the SID number, which is the system identification number for the quote. I got the created date, who created it, what the name is, the job, the customer, other criteria that will spell it out. So sometimes if it's recent, you'll be able to just take it and grab it at a glance. But you can also find this information by using the filters that you see here. I might want to look at all my quotes that are submitted, or I know that this one was not submitted yet. So selecting this will help me refine my results that show over here. I can also filter it by quotes that are assigned to a specific account rep. Also on the top here, I want you to see the alerts. This is where, notice here I see callback required. So it's going through the whole system and it's finding any alerts that exist that require my attention and putting it on top. So I can just click in here and then go and manage that particular item. So in this case, the quote that we created, I should also show you searching on the top here. You can enter a search word and also refine that by the filter that you see here. I highly recommend using this because it helps refine your search results and get more quickly to the item that you're looking for. So I'm going to search for test quote just to give you an example. And I'm going to search for it by job name, which is how I named it. And as you can see, that brings me to my result. So I'm going to go into my details here. You'll want to hit on the black window here and hit details, and it's going to take me to my item here. So let's say that I want to edit one of the items. Now I want to stipulate here that I'm editing my quote, which would indicate that I have not sent it to the customer yet. This is not making a revision to a quote. I'm going to show you that in the next video, how to make a revision to a quote. It's a little bit different. But in this case, I just want to change one of these items. Maybe I'm going to go to lighting and detail. When I click on that item, it pulls it up on the left here, and now I can edit it. So you can see. Notice, let's go back. Let's go back to the review and adjust page. And let's go to job items. And if I just start typing over here, it's going to actually add a job item. So let's actually go and do that. Let's add additional job item. So let's say the customer called in, you hadn't sent the quote yet, and so you're adding another item to it, or you wanted to change the pricing. So I'm going to add the additional item, and I'll say additional scope of work. I'll put in my pricing. And I'll save it. Now you'll notice that new item is showing up here. Let's say I want this to be on the top. I can click this black arrow here and drag it right up to the top. Now it'll be first on the list. So now I've added a job item. If I click on an item, let's say wiring, let's say I want to bring my price down. It calls the item up on the left. Now I'm going to change this. I'm going to mark this up to $27.50. Save that. And you'll see my changes made. And everything is over here, including my increased price. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do to edit a quote. After that, you can send it off, save it to your hard drive, and do any number of things. The next video, we're going to go through how to send a quote to a customer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.